Mahendra Singh Dhoni, or in short form MS Dhoni, is an Indian international cricketer who has recently retired from international cricket. He is an Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in the limited over formats and in Test cricket from 2007 to 2016 and 2008 to 2014 respectively. MS Dhoni is the only captain in the history of cricket to win all the ICC trophies. MS Dhoni, both family and education. First, MS Dhoni was born on July 7, 1981 in Ranchi, Bihar, which is Jharkhand, in a Hindu Rajput family to Pan Singh and Devki Devi. His paternal village is in the Lamgara block in Almora, Uttarakhand. His father, Pan Singh, moved from Uttarakhand to Ranchi and worked in junior management position in Mekon. Dhoni has a sister and a brother, Jayanti Gupta and Narendra Singh Dhoni. Dhoni did his schooling from DAV Jawahar Vidya Mandir, Ranchi, Jharkhand, and excelled in multiple sports such as badminton, football, and cricket. He played as a goalkeeper for his football team and played cricket for a local club. Dhoni showed impressive wicket-keeping skill at the Commando Cricket Club during 95-98 and was picked up for Vino Mankad Trophy Under-16 Championship for 1997-98 season and played well. After completing his high school, Dhoni focused on cricket. During 2001-2003, Dhoni was a travelling ticket examiner at Kharagpur railway station under South Eastern Railway in West Bengal. MS Dhoni's playing style. MS Dhoni is a right-handed batsman and a wicketkeeper. He is famously known for his lower order attacking mode when he later changed due to his responsibility as a captain. He is also one of the fastest running men between the wickets. His signature shot, helicopter shot technique is loved by all, which was taught to him by his fellow player, childhood friend Santosh Lal. Apart from batting, he is widely appreciated for his wicket-keeping skills by several experts of the game. He is the quickest wicket-keeper when it comes to the number of stumpings. He holds a world record for the highest number of stumpings by any wicket-keeper. He sometimes bowls as a medium-fast bowler for the Indian cricket team. MS Dhoni's career. In the year 1998, MS Dhoni was selected for the Central Coalfields Limited (CCL) team. Till 1998, he played for the school cricket team and club cricket. Whenever Dhoni hit a six in Shesh Mahal tournament cricket matches, he was gifted RS50 by Deval Saha, who selected him for CCL. With the help of his excellent performance, CCL moved to A Division. Deval Saha was impressed with his dedication and cricket skill and pushed for his selection in Bihar team. For 1999-2000 season, he got selected in senior Bihar Ranji team at the age of 18. He was not selected for East Zone Under-19 squad for CK Naidu Trophy or Rest of India squad for M.A. Chidambaram Trophy and Vino Mankad Trophy. Bihar Under-19 team advanced to finals but could not make it. Later he was selected for East Zone Under-19 squad for CK Naidu Trophy. While the East Zone lost all the matches, Dhoni finished last in the tournament. During 2002-2003, while playing in Jharkhand team for Ranji Trophy and Didar Trophy, Dhoni gained recognition for his lower order contribution as well as hard-hitting batting style. In the Dilip Trophy finals, Dhoni was picked over international cricketer Deep Dasgupta to represent East Zone. Through TRDW, BCCI Small Town Talent Sporting Initiative, Dhoni was spotted by Prakash Podar, captain of Bengal in 1960s, who sent a report to National Cricket Academy. Dhoni was selected for India A team for a tour of Zimbabwe and Kenya at Harare Sports Club against Zimbabwe. Dhoni had 7 catches and 4 stumping in the match. In Tri-Nation tournament with Kenya, India A and Pakistan A, Dhoni helped India A to chase their target of 223 runs with a half century against Pakistan team. He scored 362 runs in 6 innings with an average of astonishing 72.40. His excellent performance received the attention of then captain of Indian cricket team, the great Sourav Ganguly, Ravi Shastri, etc. After India team, Dhoni was selected in the ODI team for Bangladesh tour in 2004 and 2005. In his debut match, unfortunately, Dhoni was run out for the dock. Despite playing an average series against Bangladesh, Dhoni was picked for the ODI series against Pakistan. In the second match of the series, Dhoni scored mammoth 148 runs in just 123 balls and made a record for highest score by an Indian wicketkeeper batsman. He played in the first 2 matches in Sri Lankan bilateral ODI series that was held between October-November 2005. He was promoted to number 3 in the third ODI held at Sawai Man Singh Stadium. Dhoni scored an unbeaten 183 of 145 balls against Sri Lanka in a winning cause. He received Man of the Match as well as Man of the Series award. On April 20, 2006, he was ranked as number 1 batsman in ICC ODI ranking, sidelining the great Ricky Ponting. Dhoni was named vice-captain of the ODI team for the series against South Africa and England. In June 2007, Dhoni received an A-grade contract from the BCCI. In 2007, MS Dhoni led India to their first ever all T20 matches. He made his captaincy debut against Scotland, but the match was washed off. On September 2007, he led victory over Pakistan in the final and win the ICC T20 World Cup 2007 held in South Africa. In 2011, Dhoni led India to the final with a victory over Australia in quarterfinals and Pakistan in semi-finals. Dhoni helped India win by chasing a target of 275 runs against Sri Lanka in the final with Gautam Gambhir and Yuvraj Singh. Dhoni finished the match with a historical 6 with a score of 91 not out. He bagged Man of the Match award for his outstanding performance in the 2011 World Cup final. In 2013, India won ICC Champions Trophy and Dhoni became the first ever captain, first and the only captain in the history of cricket to claim all the ICC trophies. In the same year, he becomes the second Indian batsman after Sachin Tendulkar to score 1000 or more ODI runs against Australia. During 2015 Cricket World Cup, Dhoni became the first Indian captain to win all group matches in such a tournament. Despite a great start in 2015 World Cup, India lost the title to the eventual champion, Australia. In January 2017, Dhoni stepped down as the captain of Indian team in all the limited over format. In August 2017, during the ODI against Sri Lanka, he became the first wicketkeeper to effect 100 stumping. In 2009, Dhoni scored 2 centuries against Sri Lanka and led to India victory by 2-0. With this victory, India ranked number 1 in the Test cricket for the first time in the history. In 2014-15 season, Dhoni played his last Test series against Australia and captained the second and third Test matches. Dhoni announced his retirement from Test format following the third Test in Melbourne. In his last Test match, Dhoni effected 9 dismissal and broke Kumar Sangakkara record for stumping with 134 in all format of the game. In the 2019 Cricket World Cup, Dhoni was selected in the Indian team. Dhoni played well against South Africa, Australia and West Indies but was criticized for his strike rate against Afghanistan and England. In the semi-final against New Zealand, Dhoni scored a half century in the second inning but was run out at a very crucial stage. With his dismissal, India World Cup run ended. Dhoni was contracted by the Chennai Super King for IPL and became the most expensive player in the first season auction. Under his captaincy, the team won IPL in 2010, 2011 and 2018, while the team also won 2010 and 2014 Champions League T20 title. In 2016, Chennai Super Kings was suspended for 2 years and Dhoni was contracted by Rising Pune Super Giants to lead their team. However, the team finished at 7th place. But in 2017, his team reached final but lost to the title match to Mumbai Indians. In 2018, the ban on Chennai Super Kings was uplifted and the team returned to play in IPL. Dhoni was again contracted by CSK and led the team to win the third IPL title. In 2019, he again captained for CSK and the team emerged to be one of the strongest in the season. However, Mumbai Indians won the title. Apart from cricket, MS Dhoni is the co-owner of Ranchi Reds, Ranchi-based hockey club along with Sahara India Parivar. Ranchi Reds is a franchise of the Hockey Indian League. Along with Abhishek Bachchan and Vita Dani, MS Dhoni is the co-owner of Chennai FC, Chennai-based football club. It is a franchise of Indian Super League. Along with Kiniki Nagarjuna, Dhoni is the co-owner of Super Sport Old Championship team Mahi Racing Team India. In February 2016, Dhoni launched his brand Seven. He owns the footwear of the brand, is the brand ambassador of his company. MS Dhoni has a production house named Dhoni Entertainment. The first show produced under this banner was a documentary web series premiered on Hotstar, that is Roar of the Lion. The series had MS Dhoni himself in the lead role. In 2011, MS Dhoni was conferred an honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Indian Territorial Army for his contribution in cricket. In August 2019, he completed a 2-week stint with the army in Jammu and Kashmir region. MS Dhoni personal life. Before marrying his schoolmate Sakshi Singh Rawat, MS Dhoni fell in love with Priyanka Jha, whom he met in his early 20s. At that time, in the year 2002, Dhoni was trying his best to get selected in the Indian team. The same year, his girlfriend died in an accident. MS Dhoni married Sakshi Singh Rawat, his school friend from DAV Jawahar Vidya Mandir, on July 4, 2010. At the time of their marriage, Sakshi was studying a hotel management course at Taj Bengal in Kolkata as trainee. On February 6, 2015, the couple gave birth to a baby girl named Jiva. At this time, he was in Australia and 2015 Cricket World Cup was a week later. He didn't travel back and quoted, "I am on national duty, other things can wait." In 2018, he received India's third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan. In 2009, he received India's fourth highest civilian award, Padma Shri. For 2007-2008, he receives Indian highest honor given for achievement in sports, that is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. In 2016, a Bollywood movie based on his life of MS Dhoni was made. The story outlined his journey from his childhood to the 2011 Cricket World Cup, starring late Sushant Singh Rajput in a lead role. And the movie was titled MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. Probably the best captain in the history of cricket, MS Dhoni had retired from international cricket in August 15, 2020. But his contribution in the field of cricket will always be remembered. Though fans will not see him on Indian jersey furthermore, but probably he will play 2020 and 2021 edition of IPL. So it means they will get to see MS Dhoni donning CSK jersey, and hope he will do well in future. At last, don't forget to give useful feedback on the video and do like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update related to cricket. Thank you.